Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to the Dahua Asset Management. I am Arun here. Everyone want to become rich. This is our dream. If you buy the most expensive sport car, a private jet, a ski resort, or a top villa resort in Mumbai, this is our dream, our goal. Many people will feel confused. But if we can make a lot of money at this time and then use this income to pay for all this, it is not difficult. Dahua Asset Management have been in business for 8 years and have many branches. Dahua can use core technology, stable profitability, professional skill, and a team which rich of experience. Importantly, to help our customers to make profit. So far, we have made a profit which is more than 650,000 US dollar for all our investors. And we always priority everything on our client on the top. This is our goal. The current inflation is so serious, and the major reason is that United States have printed too much of money. World economy, the US dollar as an international currency, the dollar inflation occurred inbound to affect the currency of the world. As the world's largest currency reserve, the United States passed the financial crisis by printing dollar. It will affect each of us. If United States did not make any chances or the world did not do any action to precaution, this trend will be non-stop. Our wealth will decreasing by inflation. This is very bad and serious problem. We have to pay our children education costs. We have to pay the insurance. We have to pay food, medicines, and clothing. All become so expensive. As this time, we must become richer. Our golf membership already expired. Private jet prices and the prices of yacht is so expensive. At this time, we must become richer. Ticket to watch cricket and the flight ticket to London, so expensive. At this time, we must become richer. My friend, in wrestling, life would sometimes feel like a fight. The punches, the jabs, and the hooks will come in just like the form of challenges, obstacles, and failures. If you keep staying in the ring and learn from those past fights, at the end of each round, you will be still standing. Can you think of the time when life tried to knock you down? Who is your toughest opponent? Most of the time, our most challenged opponent is ourselves. Geta Phogat, one of our favorite wrestler athlete in India, who motivate me. No matter how hard life is, we gotta go through it by ourselves. We gotta figure out the way ourselves. You need to write your own life. Nobody else can replace you. The epidemic has been exploding in India for a long time. Everyone hopes to get through this tough life as soon as possible. The epidemic had caused the economy to fall. Life became more difficult. The price of food and medicine have become so expensive. Oh my God. Everything is not going into good direction. Life shouldn't always be like that. This will definitely be a solution. My friend, what should we do? becoming richer can solve this problem. But the problem is how? Dahua Asset Management is the way to solve the problem. We are here now to help everyone. In fact, we will never show how much earning we get. But it is our goal to be able to help all our clients and investors to achieve financial independence. Besides that, to win a good reputation. Dahua had gone through many difficult, happy, and complicated days with clients. But nothing can be more difficult than COVID-19 epidemic. We have provided India with lots of masks, alcohol, ventilator, and etc. But this is far from enough. Can you believe it? During the epidemic, our customer can have a stable income every day. This is the way to get through this hard time. This is important and guarantee. India is a blessed country. Everyone has the chances to overcome this hard time. This is just not the right for the rich people. Financial independence usually means having enough of saving, able to do financial investment, and enough cash on hand to support all kinds of life we want and families. This means that having enough saving allows us to retire or having a business we want instead of getting fixed salary monthly. Many investors actually don't know how to start, where to start, and feel confused about it. In fact, freedom of wealth, or in easy way we call becoming rich, is not difficult. The important thing is to choose the right path and choose the correct company. What to choose? Who to choose? Dahua Asset Management will be your perfect choice. Dahua Management, we are established in 1935 as International Financial Services Organization. I list out a few services that we provided, like personal financial services, private banking services, investment banking services, and so on and so on. If you want to know it more, you may approach to any our assistant. But right now, I gotta tell about our main services going to in this lesson. Foreign exchange capital services. In a simple way, we call Forex. Dahua Asset Management has 4 major teams. All of them are formed by various elite in financial industry. This is an important way for our investment to increase. Of course, Dahua brings not only wealth, beside that, great financial knowledge, strong network, and full of financial product investment experience. All of these are very important skills. Beside that, some of our team are graduated from Oxford, and some of them are graduating from Cambridge, also UCLA. Isn't it a great thing to be able to work with all of them? The super major team, they are using advanced mathematical model to replace human subjective judgment or decision. Beside that, they use computer technology to select multiple high probability that can bring excess return from a huge historical data and formulate very good strategies to avoid making not reasonable investment decision when the market is extremely not stable or you are getting overheat. To achieve operational safety and stability, we will ensure and use this automatic trading. But lastly, is to ensure maximum return. The leader of the team, Mr. Philip Wah, he had been in the business or industry for 19 years. His hunger for the opportunity and he's fast and steady. Beside that, he have a unique insight in the understanding of the stock market or the financial market. Of course, this is not the best. There are even higher level teams, supreme loyalty team, and so on. Our top teams are trying to make themselves and team members getting better and better. This is what a good team must have. My friend, any one of you have any idea what is this? MetaTrader 4. I believe some of my friends here have an idea about what is this. For those who don't know, I may share it to you and just follow up my lesson. MetaTrader 4, or in short, in a simple way, we call MT4. MT4 is a very easy to use international financial trading software. It has powerful graphic analysis function which can be combined with multiple charts. There are candlestick chart, MACD, line chart in the trend. You can take a look. This is the surface of the platform. Beside that, it can add trend indicator such as moving average, Bollinger Band, SAR, and etc. And you can add plenty type of indicator and image stabilize for a clearer analysis. The price is clearly marked and the line analysis such as trend line, golden session line, and etc. can be stored nicely. After the drawing is done, you can see the time chart of a different period. The graph that's seen online can be viewed offline. The quotation even can exported for further analysis. And real-time quotation can be displayed in the office table also. International major financial product can be found in this software. It can check the market and trade also. In a simple conclusion, MT4 is simple, convenient, and easy to use. It sounds very exciting, right? Beside that, there are many rich varieties of foreign exchange also, such as gold, crude oil, stock market, and others. Through MT4, you can complete the transaction without leaving your house. And you can complete a trading with just a few seconds. Get a real-time information on quotation of different currency and other financial product. Analyze the price trend of the product. And the last also important is make correct decision. With MT4, you're able to get the real-time access from all world top new agency. Complete the transaction with just a portable computer, even in your smartphone. Beside that, you can automate your trading tactics also. How to do it? You can write your personal formula through the expert advisor. Automate control your trading at any time. With MT4, you can trade on the world currency market forex stock market, and futures market. Because MT4 is so popular, with the update time to time, it had become the best choices of all similar platform products. Majority international leading financial investors have chosen MT4 as their important platform to analyze the market and fund management. Now, we can start our trading because we already have the core technology, consistent trading. What this can do, it able to help you achieve 100% profit. Dahua Asset Management and the 4 major team can always use this to obtain many trading chances and making profit in the market. There are many financial products in the international market. Some of them are full of huge fluctuation. Even the whole world are always having big chances. There are some products that fluctuate greatly, and our 4 major team, they are able to get huge profit based on this fluctuation. In some major financial investment product, the floating is not so big. We can also use the technology of consistent trading to get profit. The 4 major teams, all of them have different divisions of industry. Very easy and make it very clear. The more you invest, the higher benefit you get. The more you invest, the higher income you will get. I will repeat again. With consistent trading, all profit are 100% sure. 100% for sure. And this is the key for all of this. The MT4 platform contains large number of financial products which allow us to enjoy many floating opportunities on stable and safe platform. For example, the German DAX index, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones index are all major financial products in the investment market. Obviously, the US stock market is still one of the largest trading markets in the world, and it dominates many financial activities in the world. My friend, Germany is one of the most developed countries in Europe. Germany manufacturing is so popular all over the world, and this brings up the financial market activities also. Besides and that, there's a lot of chances are waiting for us. Can you imagine it? The world major stock index can become our investment and make us get profit. Isn't it very great? The forex market in MT4 allow you to trade any 2 currencies in the world. The most frequent traded currency pair are called major currency pairs. Besides that, there are minor currencies and emerging currency also. In trading, profits are obtained by buying low and selling high. Buying low and selling high. This is same also apply for forex market. The difference between the buying price and the selling price is called the spread. This difference from the spread is not measured in dollar or pound, but we call it points. This is the smallest price movement of most trading platform. For most currency pair, this is the 4th decimal place. The currency value of each pit depends on 3 factors: the currency pair being traded, the size of transaction, and the exchange rate. When short position, in big liquid currency are always usually only a few points different, while currency with less liquid are always big different. Since the transaction win or losses of each currency unit are very small, so normally the transaction amount are very big. For example, let's say if you believe the euro will increase and you sell US dollar to buy 1,000 euro. Once the euro increase by 10%, then you can make profit of 110 US dollar. In other way, if you buy 1 million euros and change to US dollar, so increase by 10%, you will get a profit of 110,000 US dollar. I repeat again, 110,000 US dollar. How to do it? Traders are often use margin account to leverage or borrow funds to achieve such a large-scale market order. Next on, I gotta show how to trade Forex, what currency pairs are, the definition of spread, and the reason why Forex market traders using leverage. My friend, many things you notice in daily life also affect the Forex market. What are those? When people talk about mortgages, they are talking about interest rate, and when companies or politicians make economic statement. With this, trader will notice that when news report pop up, there may have trading opportunity. These chances can be found in two basic sense. For example, after central bank, they change interest rate. In the most sense, guess the information about how other traders think, and the Forex market will react. Sometimes, announcements and events had short-term and long-term effect, and you can decide to trade either one or two. Suppose you believe that in the short term, the interest rate determined by the central bank will increase the value of national currency. In this case, you can buy long or go long this currency until it depreciates and then sell it. To make profit, you can also choose to sell or short the currency when the announcement is released, because you believe that other traders will sell the currency in the short term. This is another way to look at changes in interest rate, which is buy currency with high interest rate. In fact, there is a term for buy high currency rate and sell low interest currency. We call carry trade. Because of so much money is involved, only big announcement or event really make traders to move the market. This is the main factor which affect the Forex market. When you or other Forex trader buy and sell, you create chances for other traders to buy and sell Forex exchange. Foreign traders including individual traders, but also company traders, financial institutions such as pension fund, hedge fund, brokers, and also banks. The intention of all market traders is different, but the purpose of each trader is the same, which is earn money. Manufacturing industry company may wish to protect their physical investment through hedging. Financial institutions may also hedge or just invest, while central bank may want to influence their price and the transaction volumes. For example, if a country's central bank wants its currency to depreciate, then the currency can remain competitive in exporting goods and services. It will exchange the foreign currency for its own currency. My friend, let's see this. Any idea what is this mean? Let me share to you. This GBP means Great Britain Pound. USD means United States Dollar. IND, India Rupees. AUD, Australian Dollar. In a simple way, Great Britain Dollar going to switch to change the currency of US dollar. This is the very common code that we're going to use in forex market. Forex transactions are not conducted at any central exchange office. How they do it? Over the counter, or we call OTC, transactions are mainly conducted through trading platform. So the buyers and sellers can see the real-time bidding and quotation of multiple currency pair. The convenience when you want to trade something at a desired price. And quantity is called liquidity. There are many short trades in some currency. And I say that there's a good liquidity because any given trade will not affect the price. The trading volume of other currency pair is lower than usual. There are several factors will affect liquidity, but normally it is about traders to be able to sell or buy when they want or what they want. And this is come down to pricing and trading volume. Other factors such as geopolitical event, economy news, and certain traders can also affect the trading volume or pricing, thereby affecting the liquidity also. My friend, you can refer our profit statistic from our assistant. Every time we attack, we can win a big victory. Why? This is because consistent trading. Market is keep changing, but our core technology remain the same. Remember, my friend, consistent trading. And the most important, it can help us to obtain a lot of profit to counter this terrible epidemic. Let's see here. Before winning any battle, it is important to overcome your fear. I understand. Financial investment is a new product to some other people. A lot of people do not seem to be ready for new things. Only brave attempt to be able to become more wealthy or richer, to be able to get more profit, more money, overcome your new challenge. Here, we will learn more financial knowledge, professional skill. It is very important for each of us. High inflation has been deeply affected each of our life. The price of all daily items keep increase and become so expensive. To counter this situation, the most simple way is we make money. Make money. If we make money faster or more than the rate of inflation, then we can become rich from far, far away. Once you have fully mastered MT4, we will be able to enjoy the profit of financial product and the fun of fluctuation. The four major themes are always work hard to help all our investors to perform stable and daily profit. Such a wonderful thing, such an exciting thing. Every day is happening here. Dahua having developed in India for many years, has a very good reputation and has a strong network of people. There are many chances are waiting for you. Many people seem not ready for new things. Only if you have the courage, you will have the chance to become richer. It is important to stand to your fear. In fact, most of this come by yourself. It is because you lack of financial knowledge. My friend, it's time to change. Once we have fully mastered, we can enjoy the profit. Dahua management already developing for many years. It's time to change. How to change? All of you may approach to our assistant and follow my next lesson, so on. For further question, you may approach to all our staff or assistant. Please don't be shy or please don't hesitate to ask them. Today, I will end here. My friend, remember to wash your hands often and wear masks when you go out in this terrible epidemic period. Thank you and see you again. Keep safe. God bless you. Bye bye.